Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and then send it to another cryptocurrency wallet. So the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, before we begin, there are two very important things you should know. First, Cash App's Bitcoin features are primarily available to users in the United States and the United Kingdom. So this guide is for users in those regions. Second, to buy or send Bitcoin, you must first verify your identity with Cash App. So this is a one-time process for security and legal compliance where you need to provide your full name, date of birth, and for you, as users, the last 4 digits of your social security number. You'll be prompted to do this the very first time you try to buy Bitcoin. So just keep that in mind. So now, I will assume your account is verified. So let's start buying some Bitcoin. Now, make sure you have funds in your Cash App balance or your bank account is already linked. Then first, from the Cash App home screen, what you have to do is simply tap on the Money tab, which is usually the button at the bottom left of your screen, and then simply tap on the Bitcoin tile. This will take you to the Bitcoin section. Then tap on the big buy button over here in the Bitcoin section. Now over here, you can choose whatever amount you want, and if you want to add any type of custom amount, you can click on the 3 dots to add your custom amount. Then finally, once you've decided your amount, simply click on the Confirm or Next option that you will see right over here. And then you should be able to see the final confirmation page where you will find all the necessary details regarding your funding source, the amount, exchange rate, the fees that will be charged, and the total cost. So after seeing all the details, if you think everything is okay, click on Confirm. The Bitcoin will be purchased, as you can see right over here. So now you have Bitcoin. And now let me show you how to send it to an external wallet, like a hardware wallet or an account on an exchange. So first, you'll need the wallet address from the place you want to send it to. So the address will be something like this with a lot of numbers and alphabets, as you can see right over here. Now, once you have your address saved somewhere, the next thing is to go back to the Cash App application and then again, from the Money tab, click on the Bitcoin option. Over there, you should be able to see your current Bitcoin balance as well. Now, tap on the Bitcoin option and then inside the Bitcoin section, you'll find a few more options this time. The first one is Buy and the second one is Sell. So over here, what you have to do is click on the option that has the 2-way arrows because that is the Send button. Simply click on that option and then you will find a small pop-up where you can choose Send, Receive, or Close. Simply choose the Send option. And then the next thing that you have to do is enter the amount that you want to send. Once you do that, a new panel will appear over here where you have to enter the address where you want to send the Bitcoin. And now the address that we copied earlier will come in handy. Simply enter that or paste it right over here. And once you do that, click Next. And after that, once the address is verified, you will automatically be redirected to the next page. Over here, you have to choose your withdrawal speed. Now, there are different types of speeds over here, as you can see. So depending on what type of fees you're willing to pay, choose the withdrawal speed accordingly. And lastly, simply click on Next. And then a final confirmation page will appear in front of you. Simply see all the details and then simply click on Confirm and Send. And lastly, you have to enter your Cash App PIN. Once you've entered that PIN, you will be good to go. And the Bitcoin will be transferred to your external wallet. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.